Switching to Linux is not just about changing an operating system. It is more like changing how you think about your computer. If you come from Windows or Mac OS, you are used to one company deciding how things work, how updates behave, and how software is delivered. Linux follows a very different philosophy, and understanding that early makes the entire experience smoother. One of the first things that surprises new users is that Linux is not a single product. What you install is called a Linux distribution, often shortened to distro. A distribution combines the Linux core with a desktop environment, system tools, update policies, and default software. Linux Mint is designed to feel familiar, stable, and predictable, especially for people moving away from Windows. You quickly notice that Linux is not trying to copy Windows. The desktop layout may feel familiar, but underneath, the system behaves differently. File organization follows a structured hierarchy instead of scattered drive letters. Permissions are more deliberate. The system expects clarity rather than guesswork, and that design choice affects everything from security to stability. Software installation is another major shift. On Windows, installing software usually means searching the web, downloading installers, and clicking through setup screens. On Linux, most software comes from a central software manager. Applications are maintained, verified, and updated together with the system. This reduces clutter, avoids duplicate update systems, and keeps things consistent over time. This is also where expectations matter. Some popular commercial software does not exist on Linux in native form. Adobe applications and certain professional tools are the most common examples. If your daily work depends on those exact programs, switching fully to Linux may not be practical right now. This is not a technical limitation of Linux, but a business decision made by software vendors. That said, Linux offers a wide range of alternatives. Everyday tasks like browsing, office work, media playback, file management, and development are well supported out of the box. Many of these applications are free, open source, and focused on long-term stability rather than subscriptions or aggressive update cycles. In many cases, web applications remove compatibility concerns entirely. Performance is often one of the quiet advantages. Linux systems tend to feel lighter and more responsive over time. Background activity is minimal, and the system generally does not demand constant attention. Updates happen when you choose, not when the system decides. This makes Linux especially appealing on older hardware or machines meant for long-term use. Hardware compatibility is something to approach realistically. Linux supports a vast range of hardware, but not every manufacturer provides proper drivers. Most laptops, desktops, and common components work without issues. Printers and certain wireless devices can sometimes be problematic. When this happens, it is usually due to poor manufacturer support rather than a limitation of Linux itself. The terminal often intimidates new users, but it does not need to. You do not have to use it daily or become an expert. Still, learning a few basic commands is incredibly useful. When troubleshooting is needed, the terminal often gives clearer information and faster solutions than graphical tools alone. Over time, many users find it practical rather than scary. Backups are essential, regardless of the operating system. Linux offers excellent tools for system snapshots and recovery. This means you can roll back your system to a working state if an update causes issues or a mistake is made. Combined with regular data backups, this approach provides peace of mind that many users do not realize they're missing. Gaming on Linux has improved dramatically. Many games run natively, and a large number of Windows-only games work well through compatibility layers and launchers. For most single-player and casual gaming, the experience is smooth and reliable. The main limitation remains certain online games with strict anti-cheat systems, which are slowly becoming more compatible over time. Ultimately, switching to Linux is about mindset. Linux rewards curiosity, patience, and a willingness to learn how your system works. It offers control, transparency, and long-term stability. Windows prioritizes familiarity, ecosystem integration, and broad commercial support. Linux is not for everyone, and it doesn't need to be. But for users who value control over their system and prefer a quieter, more predictable computing experience, Linux Mint makes a compelling case. Once you understand what Linux is and what it is not, the decision becomes far clearer.